Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hebsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajakrishnan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. We have been discussing about functional textiles in the previous videos. Functional textiles are actually engineered textiles to meet specific functions. There are many types of functional textiles, among which we will be discussing about medical textiles. Think about the healthcare practitioners, the gown, the surgical gown they wear, the medical textiles they use, everything requires very sensitive, protective care. They have to be prepared in a very specific, protective manner. So, when during the preparation, there are many problems they encounter and they win over them. So the winning point is medical textiles. You cannot imagine a healthcare practitioner without a textile. Medical textiles are specifically designed fabrics which are used in medical and healthcare environments. These textiles are made to be safe, hygienic, and often antimicrobial too, helping both patients and also healthcare workers. They are usually used in hospitals, clinics, in surgical procedures, for patient care, and for medical accessories too. What are the types of medical textiles? The first one is healthcare and hygiene textiles. Under this category, the daily use textile materials in hospitals are included. That is surgical gowns and masks, bed linens, drapes and covers, diapers and sanitary devices, napkins, they come under these category. Implantable textiles, these are textiles which go inside the human body. For example, surgical meshes, small meshes, artificial ligaments, and then heart valve supports. They are all implantable textiles. And the third category is extracorporeal textiles. Here, these textile materials, they interact with the body externally through machines. So artificial kidneys, that is for dialysis filters, and then blood oxygenators, that is heart lung machines, they come under these categories. And the fourth category of medical textiles is non-implantable textiles. Here we have the external treatment and wound care, bandages and gauzes, pressure garments for burn victims which are used, and then wound dressings with healing agents. So they come under the category of non-implantable textiles. What is more specific about the properties and materials? The key properties which are said to be needed for medical textiles are non-toxic and biocompatible. They should be non-toxic and they should be biocompatible too. They should not give any kind of allergy to the user or is the patient who is using it. Antibacterial and antimicrobial, which will help in fast healing either than fast spreading, and then breathable and absorbent. They should be comfortable. The medical textile should be able to give more comfort to the patient while using it, and then sterilizable and durable so that they can be used again and again if needed. Commonly we use certain materials like cotton, polyester, uh, polypropylene, and then chitosan, silver nanoparticles for infection control. These are the commonly used materials with the above said key properties. Again, what are the advancements which are there in these smart textiles or else the medical textiles? We have wearable sensors for real-time monitoring of health, for example, heart rate, temperature, hydration, etc. Today we wear it in the form of a smart watch, And also medical textiles can also function in the same way. Smart bandages, they detect infection or release drugs. That is bandages which if there is an infection, it will release the drug and help in curing the infection at a faster rate. Integration with mobile health apps and devices. That is fabrics can also pair those apps and devices. Use of biodegradable materials, example polyvinyl lactic acid and then chitosan, etc. Eco-friendly disposable for single-use items. That is when, for example, band-aids, which are single-use items, they should be eco-friendly so that their disposal is not a problem. And then circular design to reduce medical waste. That is reuse, reduce, recycle. That option can be used. And then AI-powered diagnostics. Using sensor data from garments. So garments may carry sensors which will help in diagnosing at a faster rate. Then IoT connected fabrics for remote patient monitoring. The patient can be elsewhere and he or she can be monitored by a healthcare practitioner in another country, even by connecting them with IoT connected fabrics. Predictive care via data analytics. So uh, what kind of thing may happen if the glucose level is remaining in the same way, that can be predicted, and again this care can be given in that sense. Self-healing textiles, this can be given for wound care, antiviral and antimicrobial nano coatings by using silver, copper, graphene oxide, etc. And then development of non-invasive implantable fabrics. So here they are implantable, self-implantable, and patient-specific wound dressings tailored to healing stages. That is, according to the stage, the wound dressing will release the required amount of medicine, and hence it can help in faster healing. Responsive fabrics that adapt to the wearer's condition. So the fabric, if the particular patient is in lying condition, the fabric respond to him, and if the particular is in sitting position, or that fabric respond to him, and if the particular patient has some, what is sweating, then the fabric respond to him. So in that sense, there are many advancements which will help the patient or else the medical healthcare practitioner to support the patient in a much larger way, in a faster method. So these advancements are to happen and they are in research. Thank you.